Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Sinch API Product Release Showcase. I'm Riley, and I've got Jared here with me.
Hi everyone, glad to be here.
We're really excited to dive into the future of communication and give a huge shout out to the developers who are making it all happen. You know, it feels like every single thing that we do online is a conversation these days, but that's why our theme is Build with Confidence. And we're not just talking about having APIs that don't break. It's about giving you a rock solid foundation that you can trust, that's smart, and that can grow with you from a tiny idea to a massive global launch super fast. Jared, why don't you give me the breakdown about what that actually looks like?
Thanks, Riley. Our commitment to developers is built on three foundational pillars: scale, trust, and intelligence. And it's not just us saying that. Sinch is a recognized leader in the CPaaS market, which basically means we provide the heavy-duty infrastructure that developers trust to keep their customers engaged, informed, safe, and happy.
Exactly. Let's kick things off with our core messaging APIs. This is where we're adding some really cool new layers of intelligence and trust. First up is our Smart Conversations suite. This adds a powerful layer of intelligence right into our Conversation API. With just one integration, you get a whole toolbox: transcription, sentiment analysis, natural language understanding, image comprehension, PII masking, and even an offensive content checker.
Smart Conversations is a game changer for customer support. And to give you a better idea of how it works, let's take a look at a couple of examples.
Here, a customer is frustrated about a lost order and sends an angry message. With our offensive content checker, the inappropriate language is instantly detected and masked before it ever reaches your agent, fostering a safer work environment. Next, the agent asks for the last four digits of a card to issue a refund, but the customer sends the full card number by mistake. Larch's our PII masking feature automatically redacts that sensitive data in real time. This ensures your business stays compliant and customer data remains private. The agent resolves the issue, turning a negative experience into a positive one. With Smart Conversations, you can secure and elevate every customer interaction, all with minimal development effort. That level of real-time intelligence is a game changer, and we're making it just as easy to adopt more modern, cost-effective channels.
If you're an existing SMS API customer, this one's for you. You can now send WhatsApp messages without switching APIs. With our new WhatsApp Upscale feature, we're offering a revolutionary way to upgrade your transactional messages. It intelligently detects eligible SMS traffic and upgrades it to richer WhatsApp messages, helping you modernize communication and reduce costs. It requires zero development effort from you and leverages your existing Sinch SMS integration. Our platform handles the conversion, the template management, and even provides automatic fallback to SMS if a WhatsApp message can't be delivered. You get a verified, trusted channel without changing a single line of code. Seamless, reliable, and more efficient. Let's switch gears to our email APIs. We're all about helping you build with confidence across your entire email ecosystem. Are you tired of emails breaking across inboxes? Mailgun Inspect code analysis finds compatibility issues early, pinpointing the exact line of code so you can fix it fast. Here's a look at how it streamlines your QA process. As an email developer collaborating with our marketing manager, I want to ensure our campaign performs as successfully as possible. Before QAing my HTML, I need to first check for any high-level compatibility issues across email providers and applications with Mailgun Inspect code analysis. I'll start by creating a new test and pasting in my HTML. As the test is created, the first thing I see will be the code analysis dashboard. Here I can view overall market support for my code, as well as inbox and application support. From there, I can investigate specific issues, their impact level, and which inbox providers they pertain to. Once I find the issues that need to be addressed, I can use the associated line number to quickly find the problem in my code and fix it. After that, I can move on to deeper testing, like client and device previews. Now let's connect on something that's just as important: fraud and security protections.
You know, connecting and verifying data is so important, especially when it comes to phone numbers. They're really the cornerstone of a secure identity in today's world. Our number lookup API is like having a secret weapon. It gives you critical intelligence before you act. You can validate a line type and, most importantly, detect recent SIM swaps to shut down fraud before it even has a chance to start. Here's a look at this invisible security in action.
High-value transactions are where fintech apps get targeted, because a single approved transfer can mean a major loss. As a digital product manager, I want to validate users' phone numbers in the background during critical moments, like large fund transfers, without adding friction. In this example, a customer is attempting to transfer $5,000. When he submits, you'll see the checks we run in real time. First, we call the Number Lookup API, confirming this is a mobile number. Next, the SIM swap check completes and shows no recent SIM change, so both checks pass and the transfer is released. In the next example, the SIM was recently swapped. The workflow runs the same checks. Line type is still valid, but this time the SIM swap check detects a recent change, triggering a high-risk detection. Instead of sending an SMS OTP, we block the transfer and prompt the user to contact support. This helps stop account takeover attempts.
So, what's the big takeaway here? Our point of view is simple. The future of customer engagement is built on a foundation of trust, and that trust is powered by developers like you.
Our latest State of the Customer Communications report shows exactly why these tools are so critical right now. First off, proactive fraud prevention isn't just a nice to have anymore, it's an expectation. And that's exactly why we built features like Number Lookup API.
Second, the report showed that branded communication builds real, verifiable trust. This is the whole idea behind features like WhatsApp Upscale.
And finally, intelligent experiences demand flawless execution. That's why we're providing the brains with smart conversations and ensuring perfect delivery with tools like Mailgun Inspect code analysis.
To wrap up our API updates and feature announcements, we want to share some big news we've recently previewed at events like MWC and Enterprise Connect. We are thrilled to officially announce Agentic Conversations. This new capability from Sinch allows you to operationalize AI agents across all your customer communication channels, including messaging, voice, and email.
Our flexible and secure platform gives you the freedom to build your own AI solutions, bring your own agents, or use Sinch's AI, all while we provide the trusted infrastructure for scalable and reliable deployment. Stay tuned to Sinch.com and our social media channels for more information and demos coming soon.
That's a wrap for our API product release showcase. We hope you're as excited as we are about these new tools to help you build with confidence.
Thanks for joining us. We can't wait to see what you build.